Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best flush handle is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your bathroom, silently ensuring a clean and hygienic environment with every flush. A well-chosen flush handle doesn't just serve a functional purpose, it can also complement your bathroom's aesthetic, offering a subtle touch of style and durability that stands the test of time. When it comes to selecting the ideal flush handle, there are several factors that play a significant role in determining not only its performance but also its longevity and how seamlessly it integrates with your existing toilet. Number 5. Qualihome Chrome Toilet Handle Replacement. Elevate your bathroom with a sleek, modern accent. This toilet tank lever replacement brings a stylish touch to any restroom. This set includes a chrome finish handle, a reverse thread lock nut, and a pre-drilled rod. It's designed to match various bathroom decors. Designed to work with most front-mount toilet flushing systems, it offers super easy assembly and durable construction. This silver handle is perfect for everyone, requiring minimal pressure to flush. It's a functional and fancy addition for any bathroom. Experience professional finishes and long-lasting durability. Enjoy the confidence of a risk-free purchase with our commitment to quality. What we like. This one offers a sleek, modern look that can instantly upgrade your bathroom's aesthetic. Its design is also noted for being easy to use, even for children or the elderly, requiring minimal pressure. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional upgrade that's accessible for everyone in the household, this is a great choice. What people say. The flush handle is made of durable metal, ensuring long-lasting use. It features an easy-to-install design that requires no special tools. The handle provides a smooth and consistent flushing action with every use. Number 4. Brushed Nickel Universal Toilet Tank Flush Lever Handle. Elevate your bathroom's look with this stylish flush lever handle. It's designed to add a fresh, modern touch to your existing toilet. This handle offers a universal fit for most front-mount toilets, making installation a breeze. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Featuring an elegant satin nickel finish, this lever comes complete with a lock nut for secure attachment. The pre-drilled 8-inch rod provides ample length. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove your old lever, insert the new one, and secure it with the lock nut, remembering its reverse threads. Then, reattach your toilet's chain or strap. Please remember that the lock nut has reverse threads. Tighten it carefully, but do not over-tighten, to ensure proper function. What we like. With its brushed nickel finish, this handle adds a touch of sophistication to your toilet. It's designed for universal front-mount applications and boasts durable construction for longevity. If you prefer a matte, elegant look and need a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this option is ideal for you. What people say. The flush handle is made of durable metal and has a nice finish. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern, a great upgrade from the old plastic handle. Number 3. Danco 410388-inch Universal Toilet Tank Lever, Chrome. Crafted from metal, this toilet tank lever is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand regular use. It comes with a plastic nut that securely attaches the handle to the arm, providing added strength and stability. This ensures a reliable flush every time. With an 8-inch maximum flush arm length, it offers flexibility for different toilet setups. This ensures a proper fit and optimal flushing action. Designed to fit the front left side of your toilet, installation is a breeze. You can easily complete this do-it-yourself project with simple household tools. Featuring a high-quality, modern chrome finish, it will seamlessly match your existing bathroom fixtures. Elevate the look of your bathroom with its sleek design. What we like. This lever is built with durable metal construction and features a high-quality, modern chrome finish that will seamlessly match your existing bathroom fixtures. It's designed for easy installation with simple household tools, making it a perfect DIY project. If you're a hands-on person looking for a straightforward, durable, and stylish chrome replacement, this is the one to consider. What people say. The flush handle is made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and well-made. It was easy to install and fit perfectly on my toilet tank. The lever action is smooth and provides a strong flush, clearing the bowl effectively. Number 2. Hygie Rinse Universal Front Mount Metal Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. This is a front mount toilet handle designed for wide compatibility. Please ensure your toilet has a front mount design before purchasing, as it won't fit side mount toilets. Crafted with a solid brass handle and a white plated wrench, this replacement is built for longevity and rust resistance. Its fine finish complements various bathroom styles. This kit includes a front mount flush handle and stainless steel flapper chains. It's the perfect part to replace your old toilet tank kit, preventing accidental flushes and saving water. With a wrench width of about 3.1 inches and a lever length of 8.26 inches, this features a 4-hole design for easy adjustment to fit all toilet tanks. Installing this toilet tank lever is a breeze. You can fix it by hand in just minutes, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for your toilet. What we like? This option stands out with its compatibility with major toilet brands like American Standard, Mansfield, Gerber, and Toto, alongside its solid brass handle for rust-free durability. It also boasts a tool-free installation process, making it incredibly convenient. If you have one of the specified brands or are looking for an easy, tool-free upgrade with a robust handle, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The handle is made of durable metal, ensuring longevity and resistance to corrosion. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making flushing effortless. The polished chrome finish adds a sleek and modern look to the toilet tank. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Front Mount Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. This front mount toilet handle is designed to fit most front mount toilet tanks. Please ensure your toilet has a front mount design before purchasing, as it is not suitable for side mount toilets. Crafted with a solid brass handle and chrome-plated wrench, this replacement is built for longevity and rust resistance. Its fine finish complements various bathroom styles. This kit includes a front mount flush handle and stainless steel flapper chain. It's the perfect part to replace your old toilet tank kit, preventing accidental flushes and saving water. With a wrench width of about 3.1 inches and a lever length of about 8.26 inches, this features a 4-hole design for adjustable fit on all toilet tanks. Installation is a breeze. You can easily fix this toilet tank lever by hand in just minutes, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for your toilet. What we like? Featuring a solid brass handle with a chrome-plated wrench, this replacement kit offers both longevity and a stylish appearance. It's designed for a tool-free installation, allowing for a quick and easy upgrade. If you're seeking a durable, rust-resistant handle with a shiny chrome finish and prioritize a hassle-free installation, this product is a fantastic choice for your bathroom. What people say. This toilet flush handle is a direct replacement for the original. It is easy to install and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.